Howdy-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Well, I've mostly got my lights installed, my new lights all over my barn. And this is definitely, well, it's not a redneck repair, it's a redneck install, but close enough. So I didn't go through and show you all the details because not all that interesting. And I also wanted to get it done without having to spend all my time worrying about videos. So anyway, I'll show you and you'll still get most of the goodies out of it. Okay, there's the string of lights above my workbench, right above the workbench, so I get direct lighting with no shadows. And I put them, put one, hopefully you can see it, I got one in between each truss. Really easy to install, and I actually have it plugged into the wall. I will change that because I actually do want to have a light on the switch so you can turn it on right when it comes in. Switch right here, which, to be honest with you, I'm only going to end up having one because the rest of the lights, so you can see here, this one's not plugged in yet. That one is. I'm going to be able to just plug them into the wall, and I'm just going to leave it that way. It's there's no point in running it to the switches because each one has its own individual switch. See the chain hanging down? So it'll allow me to just turn the ones on I want, and even though it's LEDs, hey, no sense wasting power. But see, I've got a string of lights here, and I actually am going to put some more in. I think I'm going to run another row down the middle here. And I may take these old lights and put them over here. On this side where I've got basically my materials storage. We'll see how that goes. But hey, I know you've all been waiting to see the redneck part of it. These lights, as you can see, they've got a cord. And this one doesn't quite reach over to the plug, so I've got an extension cord. I'm going to neaten that up a little bit. And they plug into each other. So all these ones that are on, they're all plugged into each other. The problem is the cords weren't long enough to plug in where I could have the easy install in between every other bay of the trusses. So I had to add about a little over a foot of cord to each plug-in. And yeah, it's wire nutted and electrical taped. Not quite OSHA, or not OSHA, but electrical standards. But what the heck? I actually had two connectors. If I wanted to do this, I needed to get these lights up. So I will probably go through one of these days and replace these wire nuts with connectors like that. Because I don't mind doing things redneck, but it's nice to have it look nice once in a while too. But hey, I've got lights now all over my shop, and I've got lights on my workbench that are placed nice. And now that I've got lights everywhere, maybe I can see clearly to clean this place up some, man. Yeah, all this stuff's moved out into the middle now because I had to get it out of the way for me to put the ladder to get these things in. Anyway, hey, thanks for stopping by, hanging in, hanging out, whatever. God bless y'all. See you next time.